the project, the 2 days that we've done, has gone as well, better than we could have hoped.
Yeah.
There's always teething problems the first time you go through any sort of whole school project or whole grade project, but it makes all the hard work worthwhile because you can see the energy that it's created in the students and the excitement. About just over a year ago, I received an email. Might have been longer, and I never delete an email. I leave it on my email inbox until I've dealt with it. And it popped up. I had a few moments, and I thought, right, this sounds like a really good project. It sounds like the perfect thing for our students. I like the idea of the sustainability and using solar panels. Those sorts of things. I thought we could use in design. I also like the idea that students would actually make a product, because I think when you make a product, you remember it. When you do something, you can easily forget it, but that product will always be there. And I think that students need to take ownership of whatever they do.